Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a tutorial on how you can sign up and deposit in CIMB. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So just a bit of a background, one of my New Year's resolution for this year 2020 is to actually work on my emergency funds. So I've been trying to build my emergency funds for the past years. I even tried to open a checking account or a passbook account in my local bank, but I was too lazy to actually go to the bank to do my personal deposit. So after my initial deposit, I wasn't really able to add up to it. So I decided to convert it into an ATM savings account, but since I have an ATM and it's online, it's so easy for me to transfer funds and to even withdraw funds. I wasn't really able to build as much as I could. So I wasn't able to hit my goal of having an emergency funds equivalent to my 6-month salary or my 6-month expenses. This year, I initially decided to work on my emergency fund by buying gold using half of my emergency funds, but I changed my mind and then I tried to do a research on best places I could actually store my emergency funds until I found out about online banking. So it's commonly used in the United States, I believe, because online bank actually offers higher interest rates compared to the local banks. So right now, as far as I know, the highest interest rate in my local banks is around 1.50%, and normally they require a higher amount of initial deposit. But with online banks, they normally don't require any amount for initial deposit, and you can already take advantage of the highest interest rate. So after doing a lot of research, I found out that one of the best online banking here in the Philippines is CIMB, which actually stands for Commerce International Merchant Bankers, which is a Malaysian universal bank that is headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. One good thing about it is all deposits are actually insured by PDIC up to 500,000 per depositor, and it's also supervised by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So aside from offering highest interest rate, which is from 2.5%, it's now offering up to 4% interest rate per annum. It's also giving depositors an option to apply for a loan, and there's also free life insurance of up to 2 million. So imagine that. It's such a good online bank that really offers you a lot of services, not only to give a higher return for your savings. So without further ado, let's start now on how you could create your online account and how you could deposit your money in CIMB. So first we have to go to the CIMB Bank, which is CIMB Bank PH. It's available in Play Store and App Store. And then we have to select Create an Account. And then from there, we'll have an option to choose either to create a bank account or to apply for a personal loan. So for now, we'll have to choose I need a bank account. So from here, we'll have to choose either we'll be opening a fast account or an UpSave account. We also have an option to compare. So for the features and services under fast account and UpSave account. So in terms of account validity, fast account is only valid for 12 months, while UpSave account will be as long as you want. On account opening, it will take up to 10 minutes for a fast account application, while in UpSave account, you'll have to undergo digital signature and virtual verification requirement. In terms of interest or savings rate, you can get 0.50% per annum under fast account, while in UpSave account, it will be 2.50% per annum, but right now they're actually offering up to 4% per annum. With Visa debit card, it's only available for fast account, and it's free upon cash in or cumulative cash in of 1,000 pesos. So since it's only fast account that is with a debit card, or ATM withdrawals or cash out will only be available under fast account. Fund transfers, bill payments, or cash in are available both in UpSave and fast accounts. while e-commerce and POS payments or deposit limit is only available in Fast Account, which is with a cumulative deposit limited to 100,000 pesos. So no initial deposit is required, and both of them have an access to 24/7 online banking. Since you would like to take advantage of the highest interest rate, we'll be choosing UpSave account on this occasion. So first we'll be asked if we are a citizen of United States, and then we'll proceed with the signing up page where we'll be asked with our personal information, starting off with our name, addresses, our employment status, and then we'll be asked to upload our ID. So what I have actually uploaded is my passport, and then they will have to verify those details, and then it will just take, I think, a few minutes for your account to be verified, and then you will be able to log into your online account. Once your account is fully created, you can now log in with your username and password, or you can also log in using your Touch ID once you have successfully set this up. So once you're in, you can now see your total balance from your Fast account, UpSave account, or even GSave account. You will also see the options for cash in, transfer, pay bills, or cash out, and even the list of your transaction history. So on this occasion, we'll be choosing cash in, and then we'll see the option for over-the-counter cash in or online cash in. So on this occasion, we'll be choosing online cash in. So this is powered by Dragon Pay, and we'll have an option to select the bank, which on this occasion will be BDO. So now we'll have to put in the cash in amount, which is 4,000 pesos. So this is free of charge for any CIMB members. We'll just have to click on next now, and then an instruction via email will be sent out. So an email from Dragon Pay will be sent, and it will have a link which we have to click, since it will have further instructions on how we could complete the payment. So it will have a certain account number which we could input on the fund transfer that we'll be doing in our mobile bank. So once we go to our BDO app, just click on send money and then another BDO bank. So we now have to put in the amount to be transferred, which is 4,000, and then put in the account number which we got from Dragon Pay. So just make sure that it's correct. Now we'll have to select and continue, and then confirm transfer. So it's better to get a screenshot of the confirmation, including the reference number, because we'll be needing that after we validate the transaction with Dragon Pay. So as per the instruction, we have to wait for 5 minutes before we continue in validating the transfer. After 5 minutes, we now go back to the Dragon Pay instruction, and then we'll have to click on the link to continue in validating the transfer. So we'll be asked to put in the reference number, or the last 8 digits of the reference number from the fund transfer that we've done in BDO, and then select validate, and then we'll be getting a confirmation that it's successfully validated. So once you go back to CIMB, you will now see your available balance. Okay, so it's so easy to create and even transfer funds to your online account. So I hope this video actually helped you a lot in starting to build your emergency funds. So if you have any questions or suggestions, feedback, please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up on this video. So I'll see you on my future videos. Bye!